If you're tired of fast wearing slurry piping, you might be interested in this preformed Slurryflex CLX bend. This is a ceramic lined mining hose bend that we custom made with 360-degree tile coverage, a 200mm ID, 3D bend radius and swivel flanges. It's been made to fit perfectly into place with their existing pipework. These are super hard alumina ceramic tiles that are embedded into the rubber, which makes it impossible for them to fall out, and this is what gives CLX its extremely high wear resistance. We build these hoses from the inside out, so we're able to match the ID with the adjoining pipework. It starts with this natural rubber wear liner where the tiles are embedded, then different structural support layers with steel wire reinforcing. We finish with this outer layer here, a rubber coated fabric that resists harsh weather, UV exposure, tears and punches. There's nothing worse than spools failing unexpectedly, so that's why we build wear monitors into the hose. With a simple push of a button, you always know how much wear life is left and you can plan ahead for replacement. So if you're struggling with slurry piping holing out, talk to us about trialling Slurryflex CLX in your plant.